right, let's have a look.
See if I can get this sucker loose. I'm blowing a hip.
It'll blow out concrete, it'll blow out asphalt, it'll blow everything out when you're in hill country like this. So you could have a 6 or an 8 foot hole right in front of you and not even know it.
Today, I'm gonna run over to Project 211. I'm gonna load up the Polaris because I have an idea. So if you're wondering, okay, first of all, Project 211, wait, no, not Project 291, not Project 38, not Project 280, not Kentucky 200, Project 211. Remember that thing I made that was 1,000 yards long? Well, I kind of got an idea for the Missouri farm, if I ever get around to it. But I'm gonna go pick that thing up, that target, because I made that and they ain't using it, so he said I can come get it. All right, man, who remembers this gate out here? I remember that. Hey, Kapper here. This strange thing called a blue sky. I have this all connected to the gate here. So now I just need to prop that gate up, put another little rock or something under there to push this ahead, put that bolt in, and that's how you do it with just one person. For now, we're closed up, baby. Hopefully I got that padlock. Still holding up. Let's go for a ride. Turn the air on in here. Going so you could see where we're headed. I was glad to offload this place because it was becoming definitely too much to maintain. It's obvious someone's a little behind here on the bush hogging. But I think I can find my way. This is all the way to the back of the property. Probably a bunch of deer fawns all laid up in here. First I was going to grab the ATV, and then I'm like, remember, that's a big steel target and frame. And you gotta be careful in this kind of stuff for new washouts. This whole area here is just really steep. Over there about 50 yards, and we had to hand plant. Well, you can't see, it's on the other side of the ridge. It goes, you can see here, this little section we planted, but most of this we did by hand. You know, me and Hulk, I was the youngest guy. We had a bunch of 50 and even 60-year-old guys out here planting because we couldn't get any young kids to plant. There's a creek
jungle out there. Woo. Wow. Okay, so I'm up here at the front of the property. You could set up a bench right up here, even proned out. But let's have a look. All the way down to the back. That's about probably over 1,000 from where I'm standing. Plus I can back it up. I could probably get another 100 almost if I really needed to behind me. The range will be in place soon. Okay, we gotta go this way. Not seeing the path that I made. I don't know how many years ago. If I remember right, there's another road up here that cuts off to the left. That putting them deer towers up. Okay, there's the road. I just missed it, but we'll go take a quick look back here. You know, I made this new plot. You know, we planted corn in this the first year. I remember Clarkster was here, and it actually did quite well. Don't look like much is going on this year. All right, let's get back over to that road over there. Yeah, this is the plot right here. Alright, just tripped on a stop. That's right, it follows this edge of pines. I remember this area. I did excavator work here and cut this road through the woods. Boy, now I'm going off the grid here. I don't like this. There's a big ditch right here that goes down in there. Oh boy, easy. The ditch goes this way, so this is the top of the ditch. Man, I don't know, I might have to take another way back. Here's another ditch right here. Oh, this would not be a good spot to get stuck. stuff turned out to be a lot longer than I anticipated. I was going to zip it in and out, but this is good. Look at all the blackberries. This shows you how we're coming and you won't property. I mean, just look out a road system, so you can access it. Oh boy. I don't remember a patch of woods being here. That's how fast it grows up. Jeez. Okay, here's a pond. This is probably the mountain pond, I would think, unless they added another one. Alright, here's one of my stakes. Yeah, this has to be. There it is right there. Holy buckets. You kidding me? Look at what we got to go through. You see that? There's the target. All right, let's have a look. From vision to reality. Kapper Mountain. That is literally a mountain of its own. And I shaved off probably 4 feet of the top of the hilltop, maybe 5 feet, so that target will be really at the very base of that mountain. I gotta get around. I don't think I can drive up to it. This pond is really steep here. Shucks. I think I could get kind of close to it. Definitely don't want to fall in. This thing is straight off. Alright, let me go see what I could do. I mean, I did have it where you could drive on it, which it actually feels like I probably could. We'll see how heavy the thing is. Oh, the briars. Oh, yeah, I wasn't expecting quite this kind of adventure. I think I can drive right up to this. There she is, right there. 1,000-yard target. Boy, looks like I got 4 hits for sure out of 6, the very first 6. So let's roll back and shoot it. Holy cow, this is stuck in the ground. I'm gonna need to winch it out. Darn it. Alright, well. Let's take this and come back. Blackberries. There it is, Mount Kapper. See if I can get this sucker loose. I'm blowing a hip. Okay, I got it. I forgot that I made it folding, and I made it lightweight, so it's actually a lot lighter than the target, but almost made it to a success. Look at that pond.
right, carry on. All right, I'm gonna try to find a different way back. This used to all be cleared. This was the shooting lane, 1,000 yards, all the way to the front. Look at how much this grew up. I mean, them trees are 20 foot high. All right, now the air's going back on.
Oh, jeez, man, I hate that. Don't expect it, and all of a sudden you hit a ditch. And I mean, people that don't live in what's called hell ground, HEL, highly erodible landscape, you just don't realize and fathom that it's dangerous. I mean, it's dangerous ground because it's constantly getting eroded. So, I mean, even the highways here, during big rainstorms, it'll blow out, 4 or 5 foot culverts. It'll blow out concrete, it'll blow out asphalt, it'll blow everything out when you're in hill country like this. So you could have a 6 or an 8 foot hole right in front of you and not even know it. Brand new one. It's a unique hazard, this right here.
So